In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open Skype links in Chrome. Navigating through the sea of technology and myriad applications we use daily can sometimes be cumbersome, especially when trying to quickly jump into a Skype chat or meeting from a different browser. Fortunately, there's a simple workaround for opening Skype links directly in Chrome, and I'm here to walk you through each step. Firstly, let's start by accessing the official Skype website. Once there, you'll likely notice the prompt Open Skype in Browser. Go ahead and click on that. If Skype asks you to log in, do so using your Skype account credentials. This step is the gateway to all your Skype conversations and meetings without having to download the desktop version of Skype. Now that you're logged in, your next move is to head over to the chat section. This is where all your conversations are neatly listed. The interface is quite intuitive, so locating the chat section should be a breeze. After that, it's time to find your friend's chat. The chat list on the left side of your screen will help you navigate through your contacts. Simply scroll through until you find the conversation you're looking for and select it. Once you're in your friend's chat, you're going to look for the specific link you need to access. It could be a meeting or a group chat link. When you've found the link, the next step is to copy it. You can do this by right-clicking on the link and selecting Copy from the context menu, or simply pressing Ctrl+C on your keyboard if you're using a PC, or CMD+C if you're on a Mac. Finally, it's time to bring Chrome into the mix. Open up a new tab in Chrome and paste the link you just copied into the address bar. To paste, you can right-click and select Paste from the menu, or use the keyboard shortcuts Ctrl+V for PC users, or CMD+V for those on a Mac. Once the link is pasted, hit Enter and voila. You should now be successfully navigating through your Skype chat or meeting directly from Chrome. And there you have it, a simple, straightforward process to ensure you can quickly access Skype links directly from Chrome, making your online communication that's a bit easier. Remember, this method is all about convenience, enabling you to bypass the need for Skype's desktop application and streamline your workflow or social interactions. If you found this guide helpful or have any more questions about using Skype with Chrome, feel free to leave a comment or feedback. We strive to bring you tips and tricks to make your digital life as seamless as possible. Until next time, happy chatting.